Yeah, the rear cylinder, rear push rod lifter. If you see the roller, it's actually moving on the pin. If you can see that. So it's worn. That's all I noticed that was bad. It's got Ultima ignition, Ultima coil, so I just canceled my S&S coil and ignition. But yeah, see that? She's fucked. But all the other ones seem to be good. All the parts are there. Got them laid out. The old heads and jugs, I'll clean them up, put them for sale. Just gotta take the pistons out, but I want to leave it like that till I get them because I don't want shit to fall in. I just took the cam out. It was a Screaming Eagle cam, but my Woods cam will be better. And then I just taken off the oil pump here because I got the S&S oil pump. I got to take the tranny cover off and finish mounting up the Thunderheader pipe, and then yeah, and then just wait for the rest of the parts to come.